Halloween has become the second biggest holiday of the entire year. For florists, that allows a lot of room for haunting fun. Let me show you how it's done. The base, 1/2 brick of midnight foam, anchored in place with black waterproof tape. The branch manzanita, it's dried, it's very hard, it's very long lasting. To make sure that it stays in place, I push it into the foam firmly, and then using the Oasis foil adhesive, glue right at that insertion point, and it will actually stick to the wet foam, and that way this won't shift around. It will stay upright and stable throughout the life of the arrangement. Then adding in the raven, I don't want their feet. Oh no, don't look. Cutting off the feet. Oh no. But that way I can glue them right onto the tree. Put a little bit of glue directly on the body. And then finding the perfect spot to perch him. And then using a leaf underneath to securely bond it. Then repeat that with a few more birds, and then of course a few extra leaves, just a dab of glue. Place it right into the branch. To begin covering mechanics, score down the sides of the foam, give a flat surface, and using a variety of foliage, maybe a bit of ruscus, maybe some aspidistra. When I work, you can cut the aspidistra down and wrap it around the container, securing it in place with another piece of foliage. Gives you quick coverage. Use a fascia leaf coming in from the center. Maybe another. And that way you're ready to design with your mechanics all hidden. The roses radiating from a central binding point, giving them a cut, bringing some upwards towards the center, and then others out a bit more to the sides. And then since it's a full rounded centerpiece, making sure that if you do it on the right, add it to the left, front, back, all the way around. To finish, a bit of leucodendron, giving a nice contrast, going even deeper burgundy. And then adding in some of the leaves. I used them up in the top of the tree and bringing them down into the arrangement. The recipe, 3 ravens, 1 stem of the preserved leaves, 1 large stem of manzanita. Then I used 12 roses, 7 pieces of leucodendron, and then a variety of foliage. For a final touch, 1 stem, large stem, of the ornamental pumpkins, just cutting them down and placing them in to add a last haunting touch. The classic round centerpiece, updated with haunting fun. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What are you going to create for Halloween? Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.